Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. CBSE has released CTET Feb 2026 notification. So now let's see in detail. So CBSE online application started yesterday, which is 27 November 2025, and last day for submission of online is 18 December 2025. Even for fees also last date is same. And CTET examination date also they have informed, that is 8 February 2026. And paper 1 will be conducted in the evening shift, which is from 2:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. and paper 2 in morning shift, which is from 9:30 a.m. to 12 noon. Now let's see method for submission of online application form. So step 1, you need to log in on CTET official website, which is ctet.nic.in. Then step 2, you need to click on link apply online and open the same. Step 3, you need to fill online application form and note down the registration number. Step 4, you need to upload your latest scanned photograph and signature. Step 5, you need to pay examination fees using debit card, credit card or net banking. And final step, you need to take the printout of confirmation page for record and future reference. Now let us see the fees for CTET examination. For general category, if they are applying only for one paper, which is either paper 1 or paper 2, they need to pay 1000 rupees. And if they are applying for both the paper, fees will be 1200. For SC, ST or PWD candidate, for single paper, fees is 500, and for both paper, fees is 600 rupees. Now let us see structure of CTET. So CTET has two papers. Paper 1 is for those teachers who are teaching in classes 1 to 5, and paper 2 is for those teachers who are teaching in classes 6 to 8. For paper 1, which is primary state, your duration of exam is 2.5 hours, and they are going to ask you 150 MCQ, and marks is again same 150 marks. And this divided into 5 parts. First part is child development and pedagogy, which is compulsory, 30 MCQ 30 marks. Then mathematics 30 MCQ 30 marks. Environmental studies 30 MCQ 30 marks. Language 1 30 MCQ 30 marks. Language 2 30 MCQ of 30 marks. So all the 5 are equally divided. All part contain 30 questions and 30 marks. Next, let us see paper 2. Paper 2 is for elementary stage. Here also you are having 5 parts and same duration, 2.5 hour exam, and 150 MCQ, 150 marks. The first part is child development and pedagogy, 30 MCQ, 30 marks. Then mathematics and science for teachers teaching science and math subject, 60 MCQ, 60 marks. For social science and social studies teacher, they can opt for social studies and social science. They have only 60 MCQ, 60 marks. So you have to choose either maths and science or social studies or social science. Then language 1 and language 2, both of 30 MCQ, 30 marks. Next, let us see the language of question paper. So language of question paper, main question paper will be bilingual, means it is available in Hindi as well as in English. Next one is qualifying marks. So a person who scores 60% or more, they will be considered as pass. Now let us see important information. So CTET application started on 27 November. Last day for online application form filling is 18 December. For fee submission also last date is same 18 December. Online correction will be available from 23rd December to 26th December. You can download your admit card 2 days before the examination, and date of examination is 8 February on Sunday. Result will be declared by end of March. And next, let us see the time schedule of examination. Like for paper 1, it is in morning shift. You can enter the examination hall at 7:30 a.m. Then checking of admit card from 9 to 9:15. Distribution of test booklet 9:15. Seal of booklet will be opened at 9:25. Last entry at center is 9:30. And your exam will start at 9:30. It will get over by 12 noon. Same for paper 1, which will be conducted in evening. Entry in examination hall will start at 12:30 am. Checking of admit card is from 2 p.m. to 2:15. Then distribution of booklet 2:15. Then seal will be opened at 2:25. Then last entry in examination hall is 2:30 p.m. Test will start at 2:30 and it will get over by 5 p.m. Remember, candidate will not be permitted to enter the examination center after commencement of exam. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hype, like, share and subscribe to MJ Manjari. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning.